Cactus VPN honest review. Watch before using. Most people get VPNs wrong. They assume all VPNs are created equal. The surprising truth about Cactus VPN is that it offers reliable privacy, fast speeds, and specialized streaming servers, and you won't believe how affordable it is compared to big-name competitors. Here's how it works. Cactus VPN encrypts your internet traffic, hides your IP address, and allows access to geo-restricted content. It supports multiple protocols, including OpenVPN and ICAF2, and can connect up to 7 devices simultaneously. For example, someone traveling abroad can use Cactus VPN to access streaming services from home, like Netflix or BBC iPlayer, while keeping their browsing private on public Wi-Fi. Most people get this wrong. They assume speed and privacy can't coexist, but Cactus VPN manages a balance with dedicated streaming servers and optimized connection protocols. Additional features include a strict no-logs policy, DNS, and WebRTC leak protection, and easy-to-use apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and smart TVs. Users praise its simplicity, speed, and customer support, which is available 24/7. However, there are considerations. The server network is smaller than major providers, so peak time speeds can vary. Most people assume all VPNs unblock every service, and that streaming services may still be restricted depending on location. In conclusion, Cactus VPN is ideal for privacy-conscious users and travelers who want secure, fast, and affordable VPN access, especially for streaming and online safety. It's a reliable choice without the complexity or high price tag of larger VPN services. Subscribe for more honest reviews of VPNs and privacy tools.